may healthy pa ang narito sina Mikael at Megan bilang alam nating mga health buff. Kaya today, sasampulan nila tayo ng kanilang vegetarian at meaty burgers na talaga namang mas masarap.
Okay, cook it up, guys. Okay, so may choices tayo dito. May for meat lovers at
Meron tayong pork doon.
Okay.
Meat. At ito naman ang vegetarian. Patty.
Okay, so paano nyo ginawa yung vegetarian patty? Kasi syempre ito, medyo madali na lang para sa mga Mars at Pars natin.
Yung meat is made up of pork, tapos kung vegetarian, yung substitute mo sa pork is?
Either mushroom or beans. Kung ano man ang meron sa bahay.
Mushroom or beans.
Yeah. Okay, so ang kailangan nang gawin ay kunin mo yung mushroom mo or yung beans, tapos i-chop mo siya. So dahil chef ako, charot lang, hindi naman.
Always a good idea to stay away.
Kunwaring chef, okay, so imamash mo lang siya.
Oy, pro yung pag-mash.
Wow. Thank you, cooking shows. Thank you, Mars Pamor. Okay.
So I take it, Mikael, that this is a house chore that you're not quite fond of.
I'm not quite fond of it pag siya yung gumagawa.
Okay. Kasi parang layo ng...
Kasi si Bones minsan sasabihin niya, Fofo, may kwento ako. Tapos hawak-hawak niya. No, it's okay.
How small are you supposed to chop it? Ganyan lang.
Pwede, the smaller the better, I would
Smaller
say.
the better,
Para at least mag-stick talaga yung patty.
Yeah.
Okay, so para sa mga Mars natin out there, yung vegetarian, ibig sabihin pwede ka pa gumamit ng mga dairy products like yung cheese or yung egg. Pero pag vegan na, hindi ka na talaga gumagamit ng mga products
Dapat
from
pure
animals.
plant-based.
Kung gagamitin natin ng mga technical terms, more of plant-based diet talaga yung kinakain namin ni Bones. So we don't super adhere to vegan or vegetarian, basta most of our proteins come from plants. From Monday to Saturday, and then Sundays, all out
Party.
na. Oo.
All
Kahit
out.
magkarne kayo. Okay.
Okay.
There's a big difference kasi.
So after that, imimix mo siya with the egg and konting flour, then
And then season mo
siya.
with some pepper and salt.
Oo, tapos pag na-mix mo na lahat yan, tapos minash mo, ganito ang kalalabasan yan, mga Mars.
Okay, so now let's cook it up.
Let's cook it up.
Yum.
Dahil hahawakan natin ang meat, kailangan socially distanced ang ating kamay sa patty. So we'll get some oil first para may dikit-dikit. Okay.
Drew likes to cook, no?
Yes, Drew loves to cook. He loves to cook.
And you don't.
No, I love to cook
love to
also.
Okay, game. Bones.
So, kasalukuyang...
So, may nalagyan na tayong one meat, and ito naman yung isang meat-free. Okay, baby. How you go? 1, 2, 3.
So, let's see how it will cook, ha?
Ay! Okay.
Okay ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Expert move?
Medyo nag-sizzle siya. So alam mo nang naluluto siya ng tama.
Uy, ganda na observation mo, ha?
Okay, pwede na yan.
Okay, more. Kasi sa totoo lang, I'm kind of hungry, so...
Okay.
I want to make a...
You have to cook 4 para tigisa
double
tayo.
patty. So, let's try to cook
Gusto ko
everything.
you have to cook 4 kasi tig-isa tayo eh. Tsaka
Actually,
yung
lahat
chicken.
na.
I think it would be better if you just put it on and then peel it off. Not like that.
Opo!
Ay, sorry!
Ano ba? Hindi na siya patty! Mga Mars, tingnan nyo, ang teamwork
Maganda
namin
yan.
ni Fofo.
Kaya madami kaming content na naipopost sa Instagram dahil sa mga moments na ganito.
Okay, so ano ba ang gusto
Let's
nyo?
try Iya's way.
Iyas way.
Ako. Just put it
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Just put it, no. Just put it, as in put it in.
Inaasar ka ni Fofo.
Ayan, and then you can...
Aray, ang init!
Kasi may ganito. Gusto mo bang gamitin to?
Ano I'm a manual labor kind of person. I like working with my hands.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Sige na nga, pagbigyan na.
Okay na, 4 na siya.
Hindi kasi balak ata ni Mikael kumain ng 2
Double
burger.
patty
Yes!
yung gusto niya.
Okay.
Magda-double
One
patty
more.
siya.
Ito.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nice one,
Tapos,
guys. Nice one.
Ikot mo
Okay.
siya, ganyan.
So, it's really simple, ano? While you're cooking it, wala ka nang dalidag dyan, no? Wala nang...
Well, if you really want cheese, then you can put cheese habang
Habang
niluluto.
niluluto? Or you can put it in the
After natin
sandwich.
ibaliktad,
Yeah.
lagyan natin ng cheese.
Ayun.
Kapag
Sige,
binaliktad,
i-prepare ko
para
na yan.
mag-melt.
Para
Yarn!
Maganda itong cooking session natin yan, ha? Improv.
Actually, dahil sa bahay kasi, tansya-tansya cooking lang talaga ako. Kasi hindi naman ako chef talaga. And
Okay.
wala ako masyadong kaalaman sa cooking. But I really
Teka,
try.
ayan.
Safe na ba?
Kailangan hatiin mo siya, Fofo.
Okay, hatiin natin.
So, hatiin mo siya. Ayan. Para Sa mga Mars natin na violent reaction, para kaming college cooking. College cooking. Dahil hindi kami maluto
Hindi
talaga
masyado
sa
mataas
bahay.
ang standards natin pagdating sa kitchen
Yun yung
skills.
gusto
Diba,
ko
guys?
sa kanila, hindi sila nagpapanggap.
Hindi nagpapanggap
kayo.
na eksperto. The fact na kayo ang nagluluto, appreciated na ng mga Mars at Pars natin
Yes.
sa Ibian. You don't need to explain. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries.
Bones and Popo for life!
Bones and Popo, heating, cooking for life.
Wow, yan.
Alam niyo, may trivia ako habang nagluluto tayo, no?
Go, Kuya
Kung
Kim.
nalilito pa rin kayo kung ano ang vegan at ano ang vegetarian, basically yung vegan at vegetarian ay parehong hindi kumakain ng meat ng kahit anong uri ng animal at proteins na mula sa animal. Pero yung vegans, mas stricto kasi yung mga vegetarians kumakain ng eggs, milk, honey, at iba pang products na mula sa animals. Ang mga vegan o vegan naman, hindi kumakain ng eggs, dairy products, at honey.
Yes.
So lahat ang
Anything
galing
from animals.
At meron pang isa pang extreme dyan, yung may philosophy na.
Oh.
Na kinakailangan plant-based pero hindi pinapatay ang halaman.
Check natin.
May kasama ng religion dyan.
May
They
ganun
have to
na
get the
rin.
leaves from a tree that's alive. They cannot kill the tree. May ganun pa yun.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay, mga Mars. At huwag din kalimutan, baka gusto nyo na medyo may lasa dahil for some reason, some vegetarian meals, wala daw lasa.
Okay.
So, nilalagyan nila ng mga spice or ng mga seasoning. So, ako, ito yung favorite kong nilalagay para at least may extra kick. Cute nga
I
parang
wonder.
mini burger siya.
Okay na kaya itong mushroom?
But you can put just salt, no?
Yeah, pwede naman salt and pepper para at least basic seasoning.
Dig in, guys!
Actually, yung vegetarian, parang pork din siya. Tinigman ko.
Sarap.
Very
wow.
distinct yung lasa ng mushroom.
Right, try tayo, Bones.
Gusto ko yung nagulat kayo sa niluto mo.
Oo nga eh.
It's good. I'm having the mushroom one. Sarap.